So we're doing geometry today. The diagram shows an octagon. All of the sides of the marked the same length. So they all are but it's not a regular octagon. Remember, okay? Four of the interior angles are 32. So can you clearly see this will be 32, 32, and 32. But the four are equal. So let's name them x, x. Oh, sorry. X is already given as a variable. So we use y. So let's say 4 times 32 plus 4 times y will give you sum of angles. So how to find sum of angles of a polygon? There's a formula.
Minus 2.
So sum of all the angles of polygon is equal to 2.
N minus 2 into 180. That's the formula. N is the number of sides. 8 sides, 8 minus 2, 6. Octagon means 8 sides. 6 into 180 is how much? 1080. Yes? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We just now simplify this. 4 into 32. 5. So do 4y is equal to 1080 minus 128. Correct? So you get y. You don't have to find y, you have to find x. Remember that. Divided by 4, you get each angle as 238. So I get y as 238. Can I say these are what? X plus y. They are angles around a point. So then y will become 360 minus 238. Sorry, x. It's 122 degrees. It's 122 degrees. So again, angle at the center. बराबर है. So this is twice the angle of the circumference of this divided by 2 will give me this angle. Once I get this angle, this becomes a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles are supplementary. Means when they add, it will be equal to 180 degrees. Solve it, you will get the value of y. Opposite angles are vertically opposite angles. So x is equal to 38 degrees. I'm writing short form. You cannot write short form in the exam. They will not give you marks. Vertically opposite angles. They are parallel. This is 24. So x plus y plus 24 is 180 degrees. Triangle sum property. So how much is y? Equal to 180 minus 38 minus 24. So y you get is 118. If this is 118, this will also become 118. Alternate angles because so 118 and z they are linear pair. लीजियर पे, so I get Z as 180 minus 140, which is 62. The points A, B, C, D lie on a circumference of the circle, means they are cyclic quadrilateral, correct? Find angle CAB. CAB पूछा है, so don't write 42, it's not 42, ये पूरा के हिसाब से बोलना पड़ेगा. CAB पूछा है, ये देखो ये और ये इक्वल है. Can I say this is also 42 degrees? Correct?
Yes.
These
Yes,
angles.
sir.
This is 42. ADB and ACB are equal. Inscribed angle theorem. Or you can write full statement. Angles inscribed in the same arc are equal. Or angles subtended by the same segment. Correct? So this also becomes, I draw this triangle here. This becomes 42. This is equal to this. Correct, na? Angle CAB पूछा है, right?
Yes.
ये भी x होएगा, ये भी x होएगा. So 180 minus 42 divided by 2.
69.
69. This is isosceles triangle property. Okay. So this is 146. You will find angle QRS. So this will be half of 146. Correct. Angle at the center is twice the angle of the circumference inscribed by the same arc or subtended by the same segment. Correct. We all know this property. See,
Yes,
this,
sir.
this is a circle. This is the center. And if this is x, this will become 2x. Alright. So this is 146 divided by 2. 73. ये 73 है. This becomes cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles are supplementary. We just did. This is a plus sign. Okay. That's 107. This
Yes,
is
sir.
x. Find the value of x. Can I say you write reason? X is 27. Alternate angles. बराबर ना? Forming the letter Z. Can I say this will be equal to this and this will be equal to this. So triangle. So EH 5 दिया है. So this is 5 given. FG or GF is given as 9. ZG, that ZG is given as 7. Find EZ. So can I say EZ? Let EZ be a variable. So EZ upon 7 is equal to 5 upon 9. So EZ will be 5 into 7 upon 9. 3.8 recurring. Is this clear? The diagram shows points A, B, C, D. Okay, the cyclic quadrilateral, and this is equal to this. Fine. And can I say this, 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 and this already equal because the radius of the circle OA, OB, OC, OD are radius. This is given as 52. Find angle ADC. They've asked find angle ADC. So remember, ये ADC जो है ये और ये opposite angles है. Okay, this and this form cyclic. I'll just change the color so that you understand now. This is 52. Can I say this also will become 52? The reason being what? Isosceles triangle property. 50 to 52. Correct? This angle will be 180 minus 104. Triangle sum property. Now remember angle OAB and OBC is congruent to OBC. SSS test of property. Side, 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 side. So even this will be 76, this will be 52, and this will be 52. Okay, this entire is 104. So can I say this is find angle ADC? Let that be x. So x plus 104 is equal to 180 degrees. These are his opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral or supplementary. So x becomes 180 minus 104, which is 76. Diagram shows PQRS on the circumference of circle, center Q. Okay. Angle QPS, they're asking. QPS is equal to what, and what is the reason for the sign? Okay. Can I say angle QPS is 90 degrees? Angle subtended by the diameter. Angle subtended by diameter. Angle SQP. SQP is again 90 degrees. Radius is perpendicular to tangent or tangent radius property. Cyclic, this is C. This is 90 and this is also 90. This is 90.
How will SQP be 90 degrees?
This is also 90. What?
How will SQP be 90 degrees?
SQP they have asked. Oh, I'm so sorry. My bad. Angle SQP they have asked. I'm so sorry. Now this is 63. This entire is 90. So this will be how much? 90 minus 63. Property is the same. SQP will be 27 degrees. Same, reason is same. Tangent, radius, perpendicular. This entire is 90, that's why this will be 27. This is 27, how much is this? 63. This is 27. Okay. This is again 90. So this will be 63. So this becomes 90.
So,
This is a rectangle, yeah.
in the boards, is this statement allowed? Angles subtended by the diameter at the circumference wala. Is
Yes,
the
yes.
same thing. I wrote the same thing and it was given wrong. So, like, does the mark scheme only allow you to write?
No, no, nothing like that. It's just that
Okay.
in the diagram D is on AC, so that angle ADB is equal to angle ABC. Okay, angle ADB equal to angle ABC. Okay, so the angle ABD is equal to ABD is equal to ACB. Okay, so can I say let this be X? Okay, so let's write this we already know is equal. So let's write this is X. Let's write this angle as Y. And we'll show that angle ABD. Let's write this as so in this particular triangle, chota wala. Can I write X plus Y plus angle ABD? Triangle sum property. Okay. Okay. In the bigger triangle, this angle ABC, this entire angle is again X. So X plus Y. So can I say from 1 and 2, these two statements are equal? Means what? X cancel, Y cancel, so I get angle ABD equal to angle ACB. Note this down. I think this question will take a lot of time. Can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Find the value of U.
Sir, you skipped that third part of the
That's U,
question.
correct? All of you. This is equal. Now, cyclic quadrilateral, we have to recognize which is different cyclic quadrilateral first. See this 1, 2, 3, and 4 becomes cyclic quadrilateral, correct? So, first U is subtended by arc BC, and this is also 38. So, U will be equal to 38. Inscribed angle theorem. Next, पूछा है V. This is V. Is this the diameter? No, no, they have not mentioned. Okay. V is subtended. V is equal to this. See, can you see? ये पूरा DC से subtend हो रहा है. Same ending point is of this particular angle. So this will be V only. Now this is isosceles triangle property. So V becomes equal to U. So V also will become 38 degrees. W 1, 2, 3, 4 cyclic quadrilateral. These are opposite angles. And I say W plus 102 is equal to 180. So W becomes 78. Correct?
Yes.
And X, this छोटा सा angle. Can I say X plus 38 plus this entire angle? W plus V should be equal to 180 degrees. So X plus 38. W कितना है 78, V कितना है 38 is equal to 180 degree. This is by triangle sum property. Correct? Na? This angle, this and this, they form a triangle. So you just put in the calci 180 minus 78 minus 38 two times. 26 degrees. Okay?
So I just have a doubt.
Yes.
So it's just for revision. When we're taking ratios as a something upon something when it comes
Uh,
to length, that time we take the longer length upon the shorter one, right?
no, no, nothing like that. Depends. Not necessary.
So
You
I
can
can,
take any way.
huh, okay. But they have to be the same. If,
Yes, corresponding. If you have,
yeah,
suppose if this is a triangle, this is X, Y, A and B. So A by B is equal to X by Y, you can write. Or B by A equal to Y by X. So they have to be corresponding. You cannot write A by B equal to Y by X.
okay,
Okay. According to your scale factor will change. If you take A by B, suppose this is 1 and this is 3, your scale factor will become 1 by 3. If you take B by A, your scale factor becomes 3. So normally what happens is it is advisable not to use fraction as a scale factor. That's why we take longer upon shorter. You can take shorter upon longer also. It does not matter. But for enlargement, you always take the image upon object, whatever is the image left.
okay.
Okay. The triangle PQ and R lie on the circle center O. PQ is parallel to QR. PQ is over. Find the value of M. We need to find M. This is parallel. Okay. This is 2M. So can I say this will be 180 minus 2? Linear pair. Correct? Linear pair. This is 2M. This is 180 minus 2. Are you understanding this? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so
Okay. This is the center O. They are parallel. Can I say this is 180 minus M? Same linear pair. ये M है ना? Correct? This is 180 minus M. So this will be 180 minus M. Sorry. 180 minus M divided by 2. This particular one. Did you understand how I got this 180 minus M? They form the letter C. Letter C means this and this becomes supplement. So this is M. So this has to be 180 minus M. This is 180 minus M divided by 2. Now when I add both, now this becomes a cyclic quadrilateral. 180 minus M divided by 2 plus 180 minus 2M is equal to 180 degrees. 180 divided by 2 is 90 minus M by 2 minus 2M is 180. 90 minus 2.5M is equal to, sorry, not 180, 0. This is 0. So 90 is equal to 2.5M. So 90 divided by 2.5 is M. M is 36. Did anyone get this answer? Calculate the value of P, Q, T and X. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F is a hexagon. Okay. AB is parallel to ED or straight lines. Okay. Rest all information is given. Find the value of first P. Where is P? Can I say P is 180 minus 32 because a straight line, linear pair? Correct, no? It's linear
Yes.
pair. 148. Q. Now from here, what you do is C से line draw that. You need to make a line C से straight. Okay. This is 90, so this also becomes 90. Okay. Remember, this is a hexagon with sum of angles, you know. Okay. Here 98, T, X, X, P and Q. So if I get Q, I'll get all the other answers. This is 32. Can I say this also will be 32? Because I make a line parallel to this. Are you understanding? So this
Yes,
becomes
sir.
32. This is parallel to this. So P plus Q plus 90. P plus Q plus 90 plus T plus X should be equal to 720 degrees. 720 degrees is sum of the angles of a regular hexagon. Correct? बराबर ना 4 into 180 degrees. We got P already as 148. Right? 148 plus Q plus 90 plus T plus 2X is equal to 720. Shift all the variables that side. Shift all the constants that side. So you get Q plus T plus 2X is equal to 482. Okay. This line and this line is parallel. Correct. So P, this will be 180 minus P. Interior angles, na? Co-interior angles they are called. बराबर है? They form the letter C. So are you understanding? If this is P, this is 180 minus P. So P we got 48, so this will be how much? 32 degrees. You can also write corresponding angles. ये 32 है, ये 90 है, so how much will be this? Guys, you can also calculate the help me out. So this becomes 58
58.
degree. 58. So Q will be 180 minus 58.
122.
Q मिल गया. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, this is parallel to this. So can I say 32 and T will become what? Supplementary. So 32 plus T will be 180. So T becomes 180 minus 32, which is 148. बराबर ना? Because I have drawn a line which is parallel to 1, 2, 3 and which tells this C. So if this is T, by corresponding angles, this is also become T. Correct? नीचे line के. If you want, you can also do P plus Q plus 90 plus 32 plus T as 540. That's pentagon. Okay, so 148 ही आ रहा है. So this is correct. Last is X. Use this now. you can use this to find x. Now, if students who have not got this, I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sum of angles of a hexagon. Sum of angles is given by the formula n minus 2 into 180. N is 6. 6 minus 2, 4 into 180 is 720. So I already have Q, 122. I already have T, 148 plus 2x is equal to 482. Now you just solve this. 122 plus 148 minus 482. 106. Do you get 106, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have got a lot of it. P, Q, R, S, this is Y, this is 63 they are given. Now can I say this is subtended by this and X is also subtended by this. So straight X becomes 63. 2 marks you write. Alternate segment theorem. Do you know what is that, right? That's a tangent. That's a secant. If this is X, then this also becomes X. Circle, tangent, any random line. Okay. This is X subtended by this segment. This also becomes X. Correct? Okay. This is X, so this also will become X. Because inscribed angle theorem, this is equal to this, so this pura bhi also will become X in this triangle. So can I say X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees? Let's just solve. How much is this? Which is 54. Okay. So I think we're done with geometry.